Hello students. Now we are again going to solve one more problem from IIT JAM 2021, and this is question number 15 and the MCQ 2-mark question, and this problem is from the rotating frame of reference. This is the part of mechanics. So problem is very interesting. There are two frame. One frame is S frame and another frame is S dash frame. This S dash frame is rotating in anti-clockwise direction with angular velocity omega. So at some instant, this angle is nothing but theta is equal to omega t. So what will happen at origin? Some t is equal to 0. These two will coincide to each other. It is also given into problem. A particle is moving along x-axis with velocity v with respect to S frame. So this velocity v is given with respect to S frame along I cap direction. What we have to do, we have to calculate what is component of this velocity with respect to S dash. So this is our problem, and it's 2 marks, very nice problem. So how we should approach it? So yes, we can just go for the relationship between space and rotating frame. So we have this relationship dr upon dt. This is a space part, and we have dr upon dt from the rotating frame plus omega cross r. And now we have to calculate this particular thing. So dr upon dt with rotating frame is equal to dr upon dt with S frame plus omega cross r. Now, what is r? R is nothing but v into I cap into t. So we can easily write at the time t, and t is equal to pi upon 2 omega, the value of r is equal to pi v upon 2 omega in I cap direction. And what is direction of omega? Obviously, if this is moving in xy plane, so obviously it is x direction and y direction. So this is moving in xy plane. So omega has direction which is in k cap direction. So we have to put there. So this is given in the problem. So this is v I cap at some time t plus omega. Omega is obviously in k cap cross r. R is nothing, but we have calculated this thing as pi v upon 2 omega, and that is I cap. So k and I cap is equal to nothing but j cap. So we have v I, and this will be just a minus sign because we are taking this side. So this is just a minus sign. This will be minus sign. This will be also minus sign. So you can just put this value is -1, and there is minus omega pi v upon 2 omega, and this will be j cap. So this omega is cancel out, and we have basically dr upon dt in the rotating frame. But in this problem, this is given in a direction of I cap and j cap. But we have to give the answer in term of I dash cap and j dash cap. So now look at the situation at time t is equal to pi upon 2 omega. When t is equal to pi upon 2 omega, this angle will be just a 90 degree. So what will be situation? The situation is very interesting. We have I cap here, we have j cap here. This I dash cap here is in the direction of j cap, and this j dash will be in the direction of minus thing. So this will be in the minus. So this is the direction of j cap in the minus I cap. So accordingly, we have to change this particular thing. So this I cap will be changed with the direction. this I cap will be changed with direction V minus J dash cap. So this is my J dash cap actually. This is my J dash cap. And this J cap will be nothing but I dash. So we have minus pi V upon 2 I dash cap. So my answer will be for I and I dash and J dash, this is my J dash. So answer will be my minus pi V upon 2 and minus V. So this will be your answer into this particular problem. And yes, you have to keep in mind that when we are writing this dr upon dt in this side, then this will be negative sign. I initially forgot this thing, but you have to just keep this thing with yourself, and this will be your answer. Thank you.